Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So in this video today I'm going to show you how to rate a seller on Facebook Marketplace. So let's get into the video. So open up Facebook, and then once you get to Facebook here, go to the Marketplace option. So go to your menu on your bottom, and then you'll see Marketplace this. So we need to get into Marketplace first. So once you get into Marketplace here, so what you're going to do, you're going to hit on your profile here on your top. So click on your profile and then go to the inbox, because mostly if you have purchased something on Marketplace, it will be in your inbox. So now open up the item that you purchased or the seller that you dealt with. So just open it up. Once you open up here, you will see an option called more options. So simply select more option, and then you will get all these options here. So what we're going to do is simply select rate seller. So you can do the rating. So it's going to ask you if you buy from the seller, say yes, and how was your experience. You can just answer that question, and then how did they go, additional question, you can answer that, and then hit on next and then complete the rating. So that's how you rate a seller on Facebook Marketplace. Hope this video was helpful. I will see you in another video. Thank you.